Is your skin feeling dry, flaky, and tight, no matter what you do? It's a common problem, especially during colder months or in dry climates. But don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, we're sharing 5 simple, natural remedies that you can try at home to combat dry skin and bring back that healthy, hydrated glow. First up, coconut oil. This is an all-time favorite for a reason. Coconut oil is packed with fatty acids that not only moisturize but also lock hydration into your skin. The best part? It's super easy to use. Simply apply a thin layer before bed, and let it work its magic overnight. When you wake up, your skin will feel smoother, softer, and noticeably more hydrated. You can also use it on rough areas like elbows and knees for an extra moisture boost. Next, let's talk about oatmeal baths. If your skin feels irritated, itchy, and dry, an oatmeal bath can offer quick relief. Oatmeal has anti-inflammatory properties and acts as a natural moisturizer, soothing the skin and reducing redness. It's also great for calming any itchiness caused by dryness or eczema. All you need to do is add finely ground oatmeal to warm water. Soak for about 15 minutes, and feel your skin relax as it soaks in that moisture. Now, here's a sweet surprise, honey. It's not just a delicious treat for your taste buds. Honey is a fantastic humectant, which means it helps draw moisture into your skin. Raw honey, in particular, is loaded with antioxidants and has antibacterial properties, making it great for irritated, dry skin. Apply a thin layer to your face, leave it on for about 10 minutes, and then rinse it off with warm water. Instantly, your skin will feel softer, and over time, you'll notice fewer dry patches. Aloe vera gel is next on the list, and it's a must-have for anyone with dry or sensitive skin. Known for its soothing properties, aloe vera also helps to hydrate without clogging your pores. If you can get it directly from the plant, that's ideal, but store-bought aloe vera gels work just as well. Apply a generous layer after cleansing your skin, and let it absorb. Not only does it calm any redness, but it also leaves your skin feeling refreshed and moisturized. Finally, let's not forget about avocados. These green beauties are packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants that are perfect for nourishing your skin. For an ultra-hydrating mask, mash up a ripe avocado, mix in a little olive oil, and apply it to your face. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off. You'll notice a big difference in the texture and hydration of your skin. It'll feel soft, plump, and smooth. These natural remedies are easy to incorporate into your routine and highly effective at combating dry skin. Whether you're dealing with seasonal dryness or just want to pamper your skin, these tips will help restore moisture and keep your skin looking radiant. Give them a try and see the difference for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Wellbeing World for more health tips and information. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Stay strong and healthy.